Hello friends, welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 15 July 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day questions. Our first question was, which country recently banned all news channel of India except Doordarshan? Nepal, Bhutan, Brazil, China. The correct answer here is option A, Nepal. Recently, Nepal government banned all news channel of India except Doordarshan. Okay. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. Currency is Nepalese rupees, and president is Vidya Devi Bhandari, and Prime Minister is KP Sharma Oli. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Our second question was, which Indian cricketer is accused of conflict of interest recently? Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Kedar Jadhav, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Virat Kohli. Recently, Virat Kohli is accused of conflict of interest. Okay, so examination point of view, this question is very much important. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, who becomes India's best trading partner in financial year 2019-20? China, USA, Israel, France. The correct answer here is option B, USA. USA become India's best trading partner in financial year 2019 and 20. Okay, you can know the Union Minister of Commerce and Industry is Piyush Goyal. According to the data of the Union Ministry of Commerce, US remained India's top trading partner for the second consecutive fiscal year 2019 and 20. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Our second question is, Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as the president of which country? Poland, Kenya, Zimbabwe, Iceland. The correct answer here is option A, Poland. Okay, Andrzej Duda has been re-elected as the president of Poland. I hope you got the answer now. The capital of Poland is Warsaw. Warsaw is the capital of Poland, and currency is Polish zloty. Polish zloty is the currency of the Poland. Okay. Next question. Who has been named for Von Karman Award 2020? G. Satish Reddy, K. Sivan, both A and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, K. Sivan. ISRO Chief K. Sivan has named for Von Karman Award 2020 by International Academy of Astronauts. Okay, International Academy of Astronauts. The headquarters of the IAA is situated in Paris, France. Okay. ISRO Chief K. Sivan. ISRO full form is Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, you can see the image of the K. Sivan here. Now he is named for Von Karman Award 2020. Question number 4. Hemang Amin appointed as interim CEO of which organization? BCCI, ICC, NTPC, IOCL. The correct answer here is option A, BCCI. The Board of Control for Cricket India. The Board of Control for Cricket India is the BCCI abbreviation. The BCCI has appointed Hemang Amin as the interim CEO. He will replace Rahul Johri recently and become the interim CEO of BCCI. You can see the image of the Hemang Amin here. Next question. India hands over outdoor fitness equipment to which country? USA, China, Maldives, Australia. The correct answer here is option C, Maldives. Maldives. India has handed over outdoor fitness equipment for 61 islands across the Maldives under a cash grant of 8 million US dollar. Okay, the president of the Maldives is Ibrahim Mohammed Soli. Currency is Maldivian rupiah. Maldivian rupiah is the currency of Maldives, and capital is Male. Male is the capital of Maldives. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has developed a UV sanitation device Shudh? IIT Kanpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Bombay. The correct answer here is option A, IIT Kanpur. IIT Kanpur has developed a ultraviolet sanitation device named Shudh. The abbreviation of the Shudh here is Smartphone Operated Handy Ultraviolet Disinfection Helper is the abbreviation of the Shudh, and it has 6 ultraviolet light having 15 watt, and this is a disinfection device. Okay, you can see the image of the Shudh here. Next question. Rudrendra Tandon appointed India's next ambassador to which country? Kuwait, Finland, Afghanistan, none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Afghanistan. Recently, Rudrendra Tandon appointed as the India's next ambassador to Afghanistan. He is presently serving as Indian envoy in ASEAN at Jakarta. In Jakarta, the capital of the Afghanistan is Kabul. Currency is Afghan Afghani. Afghan Afghani is the currency, and president is Ashraf Ghani. Ashraf Ghani is the president of Afghanistan. Okay, and recently Rudrendra Tandon is the ambassador of India to Afghanistan. Okay, you can see the image of the Rudrendra Tandon here. Next question. Who launched CAPF's nationwide tree plantation drive? Narendra Modi, Amit Shah, Rajnath Singh, Hardeep Singh Puri. The correct answer here is option B, Amit Shah. Union Home Minister has launched the CAPF's nationwide tree plantation drive. Okay, the abbreviation of the CAPF is Central Armed Police Force. Okay, CAPF's nationwide tree plantation drive at CAPF campus in Gurugram. It is launched in Gurugram, and Amit Shah, Union Home Minister, launched this program. Okay. Bikram Doraiswamy appointed India's next ambassador to which country? Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan. The correct answer here is option B, Bangladesh. Recently, Bikram Doraiswamy appointed as India's next ambassador to Bangladesh. You can see the image of the Bikram Doraiswamy here. He will succeeded Riva Ganguly Das in Dhaka. Succeeded by Riva Ganguly Das. Okay, the capital of the Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. Prime Minister is Sheikh Hasina. Sheikh Hasina is the Prime Minister of Bangladesh. Okay. Next question. Nagin Das Sanghvi passed away. He was a famous journalist, actor, athlete, singer. The correct answer here is option A, journalist. Padma Shri award winning journalist Nagin Das Sanghvi recently passed away. He was a Gujarati journalist, writer and columnist. He is very famous for Gujarati writing. He got Padma Shri in 2019. So obituary's point of view, this question is important because he was a Padma Shri award. He got Padma Shri award in 2019. Okay. This is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, in which state Roko Toko campaign is launched? Our second question is, an e-Lok Adalat was held in which state? Please try to answer more in comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. Thereby many students get help. Thank you.